Hi guys, another 3D little project thingy. Spotted this on Thingiverse when I was looking for some of those card kits that I've been making, the business card kits and the credit card kits that come out flat and you make something with them. Anyway, spotted this, nothing to do with the card kits. It's a little demonstration of a piston and a cylinder. I suppose you could probably call it a fidget toy. And it's just about finished. 99%. It's got a little way to go yet. So yeah, spotted it, thought I'd print it off and just have a look at it. Caught my imagination. That's the... I thought it was just finishing then. That's the piston. That's the cylinder. That's the connecting rod around the back there. And that's, well, you could almost call that the flywheel, but that's a thumb wheel for just turning it and watching the piston go in and out of the cylinder. It doesn't actually do anything, you can't connect it up to anything and drive anything, it's just to look at. So a demonstration. So in a few seconds, I think that will finish completely. I could just keep waffling on and wait for it to finish. Come on, you can't be much longer. I didn't actually come upstairs to film this. I want to get something out of that drawer. But when I realised how close to finishing this was, I thought I'd film it. Come on, 99%. There we go. So yeah, cylinder, connecting rod, piston, pins go through the connecting rod and the piston, hold them together. That's, focus again, that's the pivot for that. So that sits in there and just turn it with your thumb and watch the piston go in and out. Like I say, it doesn't do anything, it's a, well, it does, it's a demonstration. That's what it does, it demonstrates how it works. Right, we'll try and make this quick because we're losing daylight. That's going to go on there, all right. That's not going to go on there. No, that's still not going to go on there. Oh, that's going to slow us down. I've no doubt it's got to be a tight fit just to hold it in place. That really does not want to go on there. Not even close. Right, how about this one? That's almost going in, but it's stopping on the way in. Right. Box of drill bits. Bigger than that. Bigger than that. Oh, that looks about the right size. Still not there. Nope. I have to fast forward this, I think. Just in case anybody thinks this might be a fault of the design, all printers have got slightly different tolerances. And if he's designed this to be a tight fit, and it's too tight for mine, it's probably quite all right on somebody else's. Oh, that is so close to fitting. Trouble with PLA is if you force it too much, it's likely to just split, which is no good to anybody. I think that might be enough, though. I'll just give it a little bit more. I think that's probably it. And then this one, bigger than that. That's going to fit now. Does that fit in there? Yes, that fits in there all right. So, order of operation. That one looks smaller, so I'm going to put it on there. And that's going to sit on there. And then this is going to go through. I want it to be tight without being too tight. Yep. And that's it. That's what it does. No more than that. Just a demonstration of circular motion, linear motion. And as I say, it's getting a bit dark now, so I just liked it. I just thought that looked interesting. And so you could use it as a fidget toy, just to sit there and fiddle with it. Probably needs a little cap on there to stop that dropping off. There wasn't one on the design. On the other hand, it means you can take it apart if you want to. That'll do. It works. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.